Right, my friends, part 4 of my model railway project, and so far we have built 3 of these tables, and it is coming along nicely. These designs I'm actually really proud of because they're actually very strong and they can actually take my weight even though I'm quite a large person. But I just got a call from my dad. He's at B&Q right now getting the final piece of the wood that I need because the wood I have at the moment simply isn't enough. But this is it, my friends. Today is the day where the table will be completed. I've been working so hard for weeks now for this structure, and it's amazing. Again, big thank you to my dad for helping me bosh it all together, because even though I did make the 2 big pieces, he's actually helping me put them together, which is actually more important. So actually, I guess this is a team effort in a way. So when my dad gets here, we're gonna start building the final 2 big pieces, and then it'll be finished nearly, because then I need to build a small little section for the bridge. So I've got a very good design in my mind for a cool design bridge, and then I can actually start running trains around the entire table. It's going to look amazing. So let's get started. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. This is, I don't know what that is. Right, to the build. now I've got all the track laying down nicely, neatly. There is a bit of a gap because I haven't built a model bridge yet. But once that's done, then it'll be a completely full circuit. It's going to be amazing. But now that it's a bit more longer, well, bigger, I think we should test another train. See how it runs. But before I do, I just want to say that this is not actually completed yet. There are still one or two rough edges in the build because it's not fully secured yet. I mean, it is a bit, well, no, it is very strong, but there are like one or two rough edges where we need to sort of adjust it a bit. But this is just like a rough cut, really. It's more of a, just the first fitting. It's not finished yet. Still got like a little bit more moving around adjustments, but it's looking amazing. I can't wait to see what it's like when it's got grass, ballast, trees and houses and stations. It's gonna look so cool. And you're also probably thinking, hold on, how am I supposed to get into the middle of the layout? Well, to be honest, there's only one way of doing this. It's a bit undignified, and someone as my age and my weight, because I'm quite fat, I have to do this. Oh dear. 22-year-old like me shouldn't be really doing that. Oh, my knees. Poor knees. Goes to show that I'm overweight because my knees hurt. Right, now I need to pop you guys down somewhere and then I'm going to run a train. So overall, works amazing. The only disappointing thing is that this section is not complete yet, but it will be. So then I'll be able to make it go a complete circuit without having to stop and then go in reverse. But hope you guys did enjoy this amazing build project. It's coming along really nicely. It's nearly finished, and then I can start painting it, sanding it, then priming it, then putting the detail in, like the grass, the ballast, and everything. It's gonna look so cool. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Oh my god! Beautiful! Oh, that for an experience. I might be an expert at these things. Sort of.